Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento 2. Today we are going to learn how to remove top links in Magento 2. So you can see that when we go with our theme, so you can see that here we have the top links like my account, sign out, my wish list, everything. So you, if you want to remove such kind of things from this step, from this model, so what we have to do, let's see how we can remove such kind of things in Magento 2. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and hit like to this video. So let's get started. So currently we have already used, this part is done in the next week coming video. Okay, so you can see that previously we have removed the wish list icon and removed the true parameter. Now we have all the list. Okay, for registration link you can use, for create a signing account over here you can remove this one. Authorization link, anything that's for sign in link you can remove. For the wish list we have already done. For the my account link you can use this one. So this is how we can remove everything from the wish list. Okay, so let me comment this one and let's try everything is removed or not, and let me log out first. Okay, so let me log out and let's see what happening over here. Sign out. Okay, so we have a sign in, create account. Okay, so let's see, run this command. Just need to add the cache flash only. Okay, we load this. See, create an account is hide. You can see that we have already added the my account link and registration link, right? Create an account link. Then we have a sign in also. You can hide it, this part also. Okay, when I click on the sign in button and go with here, okay, I'm going to sign in with right now, and you can see that there is no links over here because we have already removed everything. That is, my account is already removed, registration account authorization link and wish list we already removed three of them, so there is empty one. Okay, so this is how you can remove such kind of things. If you don't want and you want to make it custom, you can make it also custom. Okay, so this is how we can do that. So any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a great day.